So let's get into uh, first thing. First thing, let's fire up Google Chrome now to find those HTML CSS form template. Just type HTML CSS form GitHub into the search bar and hit enter. Uh, Next, check the description below from the link to the GitHub repository where we will find those templates. Go ahead and click on that link. Uh, Now that we were on the GitHub page, you will see a bunch of form available like registration form, appointment form, contact us form and more. Take your time to look through and find that one that fits your need. Once you will got the form you want, just click on it to open it up. You will see on option to download the files. Hit the download button and get those files into your computer. Now let's fire up your favorite code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code right here. Open up those downloaded files in your code editor and you can start tweaking the form to match your website's style and requirements. And that's you will now got yourself a fully customizable HTML CSS form template ready to go on your website. Make sure to give it your own personal touch. Okay, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips. Catch you in next one. Happy coding.